would have been me if I didn't use the bathroom on the plane. Am I right? It would have been me if I didn't use the bathroom on the plane, right? Shit, wait. It's a party up in this bitch. Damn. Anyways, we're going to Salt Lake City right now. So we're connecting the flight to LAX. So let's go. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Stay tuned.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, if I may, if I may. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you night and day, if I may.
Okay, so guys, we in Salt Lake City, baby. And you know, females gonna use the bathroom as usual. We finna head. We don't know which gate we going through or whatever. Damn, there's hella people here, baby. It's a small ass airport. Damn sure. Damn. Oh, damn. Guys, we're trying to find our flight, guys. We don't know which gate or where it is because it doesn't say on the damn ticket. So we walk into the gates. Look at her. On her phone. Acting like we got all the time in the world. Babe. Other side, bro. Nigga, we made it. Yeah. We made it. Guys, we're gonna try and get a car now and get to this hotel before this late booking, whatever it is. So just tune in and see what's happening. First time here in LAX or first time in LA overall for both of us. So it's gonna be a treat, guys. You did it again. You look tired. You tired? You ready for this? You ready?
You trying to leave me?
Jamaica's watching me. So JTC bus, everybody run on the wall, run to the back seat to get the best seat in the bus so you can look out through the window and shit. But anyways, we're here. When the bus gonna go get a car. Whoa. There she goes on the phone. You like the video, you can subscribe it. Alright.
Fine.
Man. I'm light skin right there. And you look white. Yo! Wait, turn this AC. No. AC down. Alright. So yeah, we got a car, guys. We're gonna head to the hotel, get booking real quick, and maybe go grab something to eat. So y'all just stay tuned for the vlog. So far, since I got to LAX, we've seen hella people wearing the mask. But like at the other two airports, we didn't see anyone. So we finna head there real quick. This car is nice though. I'm finna be whipping. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at that. Alright. Connect your phone. I see mine. Alright guys, just smash a like and let's go, okay? Yeah, baby, yeah. I'm getting this vlog game and you.
Alright.
Copyright and shit. Oh shit. Look at that bike dude. Alright. Dudes. But we got hellas to go to the hotel and shit, but I'm just cruising because I'm not used to this driving condition, so
It's like 25 minutes.
damn. We're tuning on to get to the hotel, alright guys? Damn, so damn dark. Let me get the lighting. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel again. This is the same day, but we're here. We in LA, we made it. And we're finna go to the room right now. Hello guys. Okay. 311 baby. We're gonna go to the room right now and see what's it like. So y'all finna get that room tour. Alright. Smells like. It smells nice. This is great though. Why is it so damn dark though? Let me get them lights on. Damn, there's only one light. What the hell?
It's gotta be one of the worst ones. It's like the big
I still give you guys a room to hold on. Hold on. Alright guys. Wait. You ain't getting the room tour in this vlog. You're getting the room tour in another vlog. Alright, so I'm gonna get a little corner where you all ain't finna see everything, alright? And just rap for a bit. Okay. Yeah. Just in case I got to the reaction y'all see, I got the setup right here. I can just like boom. And just like hold on. Alright. So we're gonna talk about the trip. So as you can see, we safely made it here. And everything is okay. Babe, are you tired? Baby? Not really? Okay. So we're here, we're trying to get something to eat, trying to look some food, places to go, because the food at this hotel is like, no. But we're trying to get some food and maybe vlog it in the night, I don't know, but this is like 2 vlogs in the same fit. I ain't gonna do all that. You guys gonna be looking at me like, dude, get some clothes or whatever. But I'm just like, let you guys know, we made it safely. Stay tuned for all the vlogs now. I'm gonna be posting every day as usual. I got other vlog already edited and up. I could post it. I could have posted it today, but it's like it's too late in Jamaica. It's like it's 8 o'clock here, and in Jamaica it's like 10:30 right now. So it doesn't make sense. No one's gonna really be seeing it. So I'm just gonna hold it until tomorrow. I'll post it. So yeah, and this is gonna post the other day. So you know what? Just like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for all the vlogs and all the madness. So if you're gonna book our package or trip to Universal Studios right now and shit, better remember that. I know you didn't. Alright guys, so I'll see y'all in another vlog. Peace out.